Hello everyone, how you doing? I'm not going to keep you long. I'm going to give you some code and you're going to like it, and I hope that you do like it. Let me see. So I have taken Claude 3 Anthropic tools and I added in my own ones, and I think that you will enjoy. So if you can get your API key, they give you $5 free to start off with. $5 that does a bunch of queries, and then if you get a Brave data AI API key, which is also free to use with 1,000 requests a month, you can have search and create your own search engine using Claude 3 Opus, which is almost or better than GPT4, which is the current or supposed number one out there. So I created a file called python app.py, and I can say, hey, create a folder, and in the, well, let's give it a name, called, and you can see it over here on the left, there's nothing in there, called owns folder of requests. In that folder, create a text file and called weather report, I guess, and another text file called home, and then add the weather for the next 5 days in the text file called weather, and write a poem in the text file called poem. Right? Sorry, my wisdom teeth are growing and I'm in pain and tired. I haven't done enough code recently for online because I have a job, but I'm loving this stuff, so I'm not going to stop doing it. So yeah, it's creating a file called weather report. So I created a few functions. One is write a file, read a file, write a folder. I follow a guy called Mervin Praison on YouTube. He's amazing, and he had the addition one, and then I implemented the Brave search, which is the one with the free API key that you can use, which I'm thinking about just upgrading because damn, it's cool. Yeah, I'm not going to do a great quality looking video here, so let's just wait for it to finish before we open up our present. As you can see, it's working. I should probably zoom in. I don't know how to zoom in on the screen. I only have one monitor, so it causes me some issues with making quality control. Because I'd like to have another monitor over here with OBS Studio running, so I could see what you guys are actually seeing. All in good time though. Okay. And then it's like I created the requested folder, owns folder requests. In that folder I created 2 text files, weather report.txt, poem.txt, and I created a haiku. So if we go in here, you go into the poem first. There we go. Winter's chill retreats, gentle warmth of spring arrives, nature awakens. And then here, I've got the 5-day weather forecast for Elk River, Minnesota. I didn't tell it where I live. Okay, well, I can do that now. Let's say we go, we'll see about changing the actual weather forecast, right? And then I'll end the video. Change, I haven't even tested this. Change the weather report. It hasn't got memory in it, I think. No, it hasn't. Weather. I'll implement that next, I think, using memGPT or something. Weather report text in the folder owns folder of, I should have made it smaller, of requests. with the weather report for Melbourne over Melbourne, Australia, because there's a Melbourne in America, I didn't know. Melbourne, Australia over the next 7 days. Okay, let's see what happens. I don't think this will be a fail. But I was highly impressed with Claude. It's sometimes not as good as ChatGPT, but what blew me away was this functions. Like the reason why I'm putting up the app.py is so that you can see how easy it is. Like it's a 3-step situation, and it uses a base tool inside of it that allows you to make this so much simpler. So I actually started using Claude 3 and asking it to create a tool for me, and then I'd add that in, and then I'd use the tool using Claude 3. So it's like I didn't even really do much in the way of coding or anything like that. I've been telling people recently that it's all AI is for everyone. Just jump in, start asking questions of the AI, and it can guide you to what you want to do. You know, sometimes it requires debugging, but it's less and less so over time. So open that up, there we go. Melbourne, Australia, 7-day weather forecast, Saturday. Today it's the correct time. Yeah, it's bloody going to be 38 degrees Celsius today. I'm not looking forward to that. The weekend will be warm and mostly dry. Clouds increase early next week with a chance of showers. Hopefully by Tuesday, temperatures cool down with rain likely on Thursday. Yes. Unsettled weather could linger into next weekend. I just want it to be raining. Anywho, thank you very much for watching, and please like and subscribe. I am now getting addicted to my phone and checking my subscribers all the time. Bye.